according National Hurricane Center. A system in the Caribbean heading towards Gulf of Mexico continues to be more likely transform into a tropical depression or storm, threatening Florida. The NHC, now located in the northwest Caribbean, said the low-pressure zone with showers and thunderstorms continued to show signs of organization. On Saturday, environmental conditions look favorable for further development system over next few days, and as it generally moves northward over the eastern Gulf of Mexico. A tropical depression is likely to form late this weekend or early next week. Forecasters said. Interests in western Cuba and Florida must monitor progress system. 1400 EDT August 25 early next week. A tropical depression is more likely to form and enter the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. If you're in Yucatan, Cuba, or Florida, inquire at TTW4KG9UJ now, where you may need implement them time to check your plans just in case. IKNSBY7VCJ National Hurricane Center August 25, 2023. The forecast predicts the path meander northward toward Florida's Gulf Coast by Tuesday or Wednesday. If it returns to named storm status, it could become Tropical Storm Idalia. Governor Ron DeSantis shared on X on Thursday night, "I have directed KevinGuthrieFL and the Florida Emergency Management Team to prepare for a potential tropical system currently moving across the Yucatán Peninsula. Citizens must stay vigilant and prepare for possible impacts early next week." NHC also continues to monitor Tropical Storm Franklin, the only remaining storm from the 48-hour tropical storms that emerged earlier this week. As of 1100 p.m. on Friday, Franklin had maximum winds 60 miles per hour, 320 east-northeast of Grand Turk Island and 690 miles south Bermuda as it moved east-northeast at 8 per hour. Tropical storm-force windsIt stretches for 185 miles. His way still keeps him away from land. That makes it only the second hurricane of the season to have produced 8 storms so far. The NHC was also monitoring 2 other systems that could turn into collapses or storms a few 100 miles east-northeast of the northern Leeward Islands in the mid-tropical Atlantic is an area of low pressure with irregular showers and storms. Environmental conditions may become more favorable for development over the weekend and a tropical depression may occur early next week. The system is generally moving northwestward over the central subtropical Atlantic, forecasters said. Also, the NHC predicts that a new system will form from a tropical wave moving off the west coast of Africa. Slow development of this system may be possible late next week as the system moves westward across the tropical Atlantic, forecasters said. The NHC gives it a 20% chance to form within the next 7 days.